So here we go with the Craftsman. This one is from my original kit that I got about 2-3 years ago. Now this is the gunmetal gray, or gunmetal chrome, excuse me. The part number for this one is focus, 82-010-GM. Now when I contacted Craftsman, they said they don't have this one, but they did have this part number right here. CMMT82010. Now, I told them go ahead and send this one to me because it's the newer one, and that it was, newer product, up to date, better made, etc. So I would believe. But what's funny is it is Craftsman, and the same number, 82-010-GM. They were under the impression that this was a different one because they no longer made these, or they don't have them in stock, he said. So we're going to take a look at this real quick. I've marked the top and a tooth to see how far in this little spot this will go. Just for poops and grins. Now that's a little bitty spot. Now this one here works just fine. Alright, let me go ahead and switch over to my other one, and we'll see why I traded this one in. Now that I got them swapped, we're going to check it out. You saw how easy the other one was. This one here will move it, but it won't stay for some reason. Even if I switch, which is kind of difficult. There we go. You don't hear a ratcheting sound. Now, the one thing that I don't like about these are, come on, focus. There we go. It's not rebuildable. What you have is one that when it's messed up, call the warranty and throw it away. That's not what I like in my tools, but for the do-it-yourselfer and the price point, it's not that bad. Now, compared to the Craftsman versus Stanley, and don't let them fool you, same company makes both these. This is a 2020 version. This is a good Lord, I've had this for a while, 2010 version. And this is a 2013 version Craftsman. Now on this one, now granted, the selector switch really kind of sucks, but I can rebuild it with some snap rings, grease, etc. This one here, I can rebuild also. There's some screws in it right here that I can get inside, grease, maintain my tools. On this one, like I was saying before, there's nothing. No, that does not go through. It could go through here, but you can't pound it out and take everything out. The way it's made for some reason, if you cut it in half, and you can find YouTube videos on that, they're just not made to come apart. It probably has an internal snap ring, which once you lock everything in, it's done. But the warranty, I emailed these guys. Within 2 days, they emailed back, said, hey, this is what we have. Was this all right? Said yes. Within, from start to finish, it took about a week and a half for me to get the new one. From the last email to mailing out, and the emails back and forth, they would respond pretty quickly within the same day or the next day. So it's not bad customer service. I believe if I called, it'd be a lot easier. But being that this is the holidays, I decided to email and just let them take their time. Other than that, it's a good ratchet when it works. When it doesn't, it's crap. I do like the rebuildable ones. And what's funny is this is by the same company, the parent company, Stanley. And they, I think, make a better ratchet for maintenance. This is 120 tooth, this is 120 tooth, this is just Chinese made. I can't even get it going right now. I got to grease that later. But the warranty on these things are good. They do stand behind them. I do not know about the old warranties. I have not tried it yet. But I think I have a couple in my collection that I might have to try on. So, if this is helpful, let me know. Other than that, have a great day.